Hey there class, today I wanted to talk to you about solving two variable systems using substitution, which is my personal favorite method, but the purpose of today's lesson is for you to find which one of the two methods is your own personal favorite. But how you work out substitution, notice I have equations 1 and 2 marked off just to keep things organized. I want to get x by itself first, and so how I'm going to do that, I'm going to subtract y from both sides, and I have x is equal to -7 minus y. The reason I wanted to do that was because if I bring down equation 2, and I'm going to rewrite it real quick, notice I know what the value of x is now. X is equal to -7 minus y. That equation will help me find the actual number value for x here in a little bit. But what I want to do, as I'm poorly writing out here, is I want to sub out the x variable from equation 2. And so I'm going to put in parentheses the -7 minus y that I found from the previous equation. Now the cool thing about that is I only have one variable in this problem now. So if I go through and I distribute this -5 to both the -7, -y, and then I write everything out again, notice these both become positive. It's 35 plus 5y plus y is equal to 5. I have everything all there. I can combine my like terms. 6 total y's. I'm going to subtract 35 from both sides. And now I have -6y is equal to -30. Divide both sides by -6, or +6, I apologize. And I have y is equal to -5. And if you'd watched the other video, you would have noticed that this is the exact same value that we saw earlier. And so now I'm going to write the x value. X is equal to -7 minus -6. And there I am putting the -6 again. Not sure why I'm doing that. Apologize for my mistakes. So x is equal to -7 minus -5, just like that. And that's going to equal -2. So y is equal to -5, and x is equal to -2. And that's the exact same answer as if you saw the other video that we saw in the other problem. So we know that we're in the right spot. Now I'm going to work through the second problem. So I'm going to start by solving for x again. So x minus 6y is equal to -11. I'm going to get x by itself, so add 6y, do the opposite to both sides, and then x is equal to -11 plus 6y. I'm going to bring down the second equation. 3x plus 2y equals 7, but I'm going to go ahead and substitute out that x in the second equation for the -11 plus 6y. I'm going to distribute -33 plus 18y plus 7 more, or 2y. My apologies, using a new stylus, and that's a little tricky, so I'm going to go back and fix these real quick. These are both 2y's is equal to 7. Add 33 to both sides because I want just the y's on the same side, and then I can combine like terms. 20y is equal to 40. Divide both sides by 2, and I get y is equal to 2. Awesome. Now to follow that up, I'm going to get x, bring down the x equation, I'm going to substitute the y out for 2, and then with all that math, I can find that x is equal to 1. And so that's how you solve both systems, two variable systems, using substitution. Go ahead and check out the video on elimination as well if you haven't done that yet. And today's goal is you're going to decide which method is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. And if you have any questions, ask me in class.